Hello. In this pretty short video I will show you how much you can earn from 30 days Binance Futures Trading Bot. In previous video I showed what is the Binance Trading Bot, and used it for 7 days. So let's try to invest little more money to such trading bot, $100 in the 30 days grid trading strategy, and see what happens with my investment. If you want to start trade on Binance I recommend to use the link in the description. You will get 10% cashback for your trade commissions. And also it will reduce commissions of all your trades. Okay, after 1 day my profit is $46. To be honest, this is a pretty good result. 3 days of the grid trading gave me $78. After 5 days I got $102. This is more than 100% profit. At this stage, I would have closed this bot, but I have to show you what will happen with this investment. 11 days trading, my profit is $177. And after 13 days I have $214. This is an insane result. I invested only $100 margin and got 200% profit. I told myself, don't be stupid and close this bot. But it's very interesting to see how much I can get further. What happens next? So after 20 days it dropped to plus $120. I lost almost $100. The next day I lost $80 more. And finally, after some hours I lost all of my margin. The grid strategy has buy and sell orders. And there are upper and lower limits. So if this currency significantly goes beyond the boundaries of that strategy, you will lose your money. So, this experiment was made for the video, but in fact, you should set stop losses when making the grid strategy. And also I recommend to close the trading bot if you see that you have more than 50% profit. Check news, the best scenario for the grid bot is when the price stays within the same limits. Avoid impulsive decisions and actions under the influence of emotions. Hope this video was interesting for you. Thanks for watching.